Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 7 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 1760, minimum limit of balls in a bag. Okay, so let's read the problem statement first. You are given an integer array nums where the ith bag contains nums of I balls. Okay, you are also given an integer max operations, this array and max operations, one integer, right? And this array is containing the number of elements, number of balls present at particular index, where the ith bag contains nums of I balls. Okay, so at 0th index we have a bag, let's say bag 0, and this bag 0 has 9 balls. Okay, you can perform the following operation at most max operations times. Okay, so in this example number 1 we are going to perform at most 2 operations. Okay, you can perform the following operation at most this many times. Okay, 2 times for this particular example number 1. Take any bag of balls. Okay, so let's say I pick this bag of balls in which 9 balls are there total. Okay, and divide it into two new bags. Okay, so we are dividing it into two new bags. Okay, so new bags, not existing bag, it's a totally new bags. Okay, so this is important actually why I'm saying this, two new bags. Okay, with a positive number of balls. For example, a bag of 5 balls can become two new bags with of 1 and 4 balls, or two new bags of 2 and 3 balls. Okay, so here this is my going to be operation 1, right? So here this is my bag. Okay, so total 9 balls are there. So let's split the balls like this. Let's say I split the balls like this, 3 here in one bag and 6 in one bag. Okay, this is my operation 1. Okay, so I can perform total 2 operations. So in operation 2, let's say I split this bag into 3 plus 3. Okay, 3 3. Okay, 2 new bags, 3 3. So in the end I have these bags, right? Bag 1, bag 2 and bag 3. So here what is the max value among them is 3, so I am returning 3. Okay, but see here, your penalty is the maximum number of balls in a bag. Okay, this is going to be your penalty, so we are returning actually penalty here. Okay, but we want to minimize the penalty after the operations. Okay, I want to minimize that. Okay, so here I didn't split this like this, 9 into 4 and 5, and then out of these 2 I'm going to, let's say this is operation 1, and in operation 2 let's say I split this in 2 and 3. Okay, so in the end I have these bags, and here among them what is max? Max is 4, right? But in this case I'm getting max is 3 now. So this is the best possible scenario, right? Best possible case. We have to return the minimum possible penalty after performing the operation. So here I hope that you guys are clear. So that is why this is the best case and this is not the best case. 9 split into 4 and 5. Okay, so here divide the bag with 9 balls into 2 bags of size 6 and 3, right? Then we have these 2 bags, 6 and 3 bags. We divide the bag with 6 balls into 2 bags of size 3 and 3. Then we have these many bags. Okay, the bag with the most number of balls has 3 balls, so your penalty is 3 and you should return 3. Okay, this is done. All right, so here see, initially we have total 9 balls, and in the end we have 9 balls, 3 3 here, 3 here. So balls count is always going to remain fixed, right? Initially and in the end balls count is always fixed. We are just updating the total number of bags. Okay, so here there may be one idea that may come to your mind, that let's suppose here our balls are fixed. So what you are going to think, let's find the total number of balls that we have. So you are going to say that we have total 9 balls. Okay, so here initially I have one bag. You are going to think that initially we have one bag and maximum we are going to increase the bag length to one after one operation bag length is going to, number of bags will be 2. After second operation number of bags will be 3, right? After one operation number of bags will be changed to 2. After the end of 3 and after the end of second operation number of bags will be 3. So the length of this nums and the length of this, so 1 plus 2, okay, length of this nums plus this number, so 3. So you are going to say that this is also giving me the best answer. I am just dividing the total number of balls in the total number of bags that I have. Okay, total number of bags that I have is equal to the number of this one, okay, number of this one and plus this one, okay. So 1 plus 2 3, okay, length of this is 1 and here 2, 1 plus 2 3. Why? Because initially one bag, so if I apply one operation then bag count is moving to 2, right? And if I apply the next operation, second operation, the bag count is 3, okay. So you can shortcut find the total number of bags that you can use as 1 plus 2, so 3. Okay, so you are going to say here also I'm getting the best answer. So why I'm going to search like this? I can simply make the summation of this one and then divide it by the total number of bags, okay, the max number of bags, and it was going to be, but it is not a best case, okay. So why? So let's say you have two bags like this. One bag has 2 balls and second bag has 10 balls, okay. So here I'm going to draw, okay. So here this bag has 2 balls, okay, and the next bag has 10 balls, okay. So here blue color, 10 balls, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, okay. So here let's say max operation is given as 2, okay. So what you are going to say that initially I have 2 bags, okay. So if I apply one operation, so my total bag count will be moved to 3. If I apply one more operation, then my total bag count will be 4. So total number of balls I have 12, and if I divide it with the 4, I will get 3 balls in all bags, okay. So this is what you are going to say, 3 balls. But this is not the best answer for this one. This is not possible answer. This, you may think that this is best, but this is not possible. Why? So here see, you, what you are saying, you are saying that total 4 balls you have, total 4 bags you have, and in each bag you are going to place 3 balls, okay. Let's say I place these 3 here, these 3 here, these 3 here, okay, and one blue here and 2 green. This is bad, this is bad thing, okay. This is bad thing because every time I am dividing it to into 2 new bags, okay. So this is not the case. So here what I'm doing, here see, 2 green balls and 1 blue color ball comes in like this, okay. But this is not the best case. So how we are going to solve this problem? 2 10. So 2, I'm going to split this 10 into 2 parts, 5 and 5, okay. I can split this 5 into 5, or there is any other way. So yes, there are other ways as well. I can split this 10 like this, you can say 6 and 4, okay. This way also I can split. So here in the end I split it like this, 3 3. So 2 3 3 and 4. So in this case I'm getting the output as 4, okay. So if I split it like this, okay, and if I split like this, 2 10 7 and 3, then also here also I'm going to get 4 only, okay. So 4 is the answer for this one. 4 is going to be the answer for this one, 2 and 10, and max operation is 2, so we are going to get 4, not 3. So that is why we are not going to simply solve this problem like this, okay, because we are not going to split this, we are not going to split this, okay. This will remain here as it is, okay. We are just going to split this. So we are going to split this in 2 bags, and then from there we are going to split 2 bags, okay. So this is what we need to do, okay. So now whenever your problem says minimize the maximum number or maximize the minimum number, something like that, okay. So this type of problems mostly hints toward the binary search approach, okay. So here now let's suppose, okay, let's suppose you have, okay. So here you can understand it like this. So here these are the different bags, okay. Total 4 bags you have, okay. In first bag 2 balls, second bag 4 balls, third bag 8 balls, and this fourth bag 2 balls, okay. And max operation that you can apply is 4, okay. So here, okay, so here the left Okay, let's create one variable left. Okay, binary search, simple binary search, how you perform the binary search. So left, so initially it is given in the problem statement that we are going to have at least one bag. Okay, so nums dot length is 1. Okay, so at least 1, so left boundary starting from 1. Okay, and now right, so take the right as the max number in my nums array. Okay, so 8. Okay, so here what I'm going to search here, I'm going to search the balls. Okay, let's say x balls. I'm going to find one x number of balls, and I'm going to find out whether we can place x number of balls in all the bags. Okay, with applying these operations or not. Okay, after applying this operation or not. Okay, something like that. So here how you are going to calculate the mean. Okay, so here you calculate the mid like this, left plus right divided by 2. Okay, so 9 divided by 2, you are going to get something around 4. Okay, and now let's search. Okay, let's say that this 4 is nothing but the max balls in a bag, max number of balls in a bag. I am supposing that this is my answer, max balls in a bag. Okay, this is my final answer, but I haven't verified it yet. So I am saying that this 4, let's say here, this 4 is my answer. Okay, but I haven't verified. So this is the 4 that I got here. Okay, and here my left is, I have to execute this binary search until my left is less than right. Okay, so this is normal binary search. Okay, operation. So here now let's check if I can place 4 balls. Okay, 4 is the max balls in the bag. Okay, so if it is 2, then we are good now. So my first bag contains 2 balls. Okay, so I don't need to apply any operation here. Okay, let it be 2, let it be 2. Okay, no issues. Next bag consists of total 4 balls. Okay, so here I'm good. Max balls in the bag, I'm saying that let's keep it 4 only. Okay, maximum 4 only. So here 4 is already there, so I'm good. Okay, let's keep it 4 here. Now I move to this bag. So in this bag 8 balls are there. So I am going to say that let's split this. Okay, so if I am splitting this 8, I am going to split it into 2 parts, 2 new bags. Okay, and in each bag I can have this number of balls. Okay, maximum. So let's say here I place 4 and here also 4. Okay, so 4 4, I'm good, I'm good with this. But here I consumed one operation, I consumed one operation. Okay, in one operation total 2 bags. Okay, one operation total 2 bags. Okay, this is that. Now next time I move here 2. Okay, so with this 2 I'm good. 2 balls are there, but I can max, I can put 4. Okay, so here only one operation I'm using, right? And what is the output that I'm going to get? 4. Okay, with 4 answer is possible, with 4 answer is possible. This is what I'm saying, with 4 answer is possible, because now in just one operation we have not applied more than this number of operations. Okay, so here you can perform the following operation at most. Okay, at most this many times. So we have just performed it one time now. So with the 4 answer is possible. Okay, with the 4 answer is possible, but is this the best answer? Is this the best answer? So now this is possible. So what I'm going to do, with the 4 answer is possible. Okay, with the 4 answer is possible, so I'm going to update my right as my mid. Okay, so if possible we are going to try a smaller value. Okay, so to try a smaller value we are going to shift right to the middle. Okay, so this is part of binary search. Okay, I'm while writing the code you will understand. Okay, simple binary search now, we are going to operate left and right. Okay, so with the 4 is possible. Now let's search for smaller value. So here left was 1. Okay, and right becomes 4. Okay, so left is less than right, left is right less than right, so less, we are good. So here find mid. Mid is nothing but left plus right divided by 2. We are going to get something around 2. Okay, let's say this 2 is possible or not. Okay, left plus right is divided by 2, I get 2. So with the 2, let's see answer is possible. So I have these bags, right? 2 4 8 2. Okay, 2. Okay, we are good now. I am saying that most number of balls in a bag is 2. Okay, I can keep it, we are good. No operations, I use 0 operations here. Okay, next bag is 4. Okay, 4. Okay, so here I have to divide this into two parts. Okay, this is nothing but my operation one. So at most I can keep two balls, right? So here two. So yeah, this is possible, two and two. So this is total one operation here. Okay, in one operation I split this to two new bags because it's both bags have two. Okay, so until here this is possible. Now I move to 8. Now I move to 8. Okay, so now here 8. Okay, so here I have to split this in two parts. Okay, so this is going to be my operation 1, op1, operation 1. So if I split them, so how I'm going to split this 8? So let's split it like this. You can split this 8 like this, 4 and 4. Okay, it is going to consume one operation. Or you can split this 8 like this as well, 6 and 2. Okay, so here at most two balls should be there in one bag, so remaining is 6. Okay, let's keep it 6 here. Okay, now this is operation 1. Now see carefully, operation 2 I am performing, operation 2. Okay, so I am going to split this 6 into again two new bags. Okay, so in one bag let's say I put 2, in the remaining balls is 4. Okay, this is nothing but my operation 2. Now I am moving to operation number 3. This is nothing but my operation number 3, operation 3. So here these two and these two. Okay, so here how many operations I am doing? How many operations I am doing? 1 2 3. Okay, in one operation I get the output as 2 and 6. Okay, in the next operation I get the output as 2 and 4, and in the next operation I get the output as 2 and 2. Okay, so total sum is 8, but here how many operations I am doing? 3 operations. Okay, 3 operations, 3 operations. Okay, now here see carefully, here I did one operation, here I did 3 operations, so total number of operations right now 4. Okay, now after that I am not going to perform any operation, right? If I have to perform any other operation, then this is false. Okay, so let's say what is the next bag? Next bag is 2. Okay, so we are good now. Next bag is 2, so here I don't need to apply any operation. So here this is valid 0 operations. Okay, 0 operations. So here in this part I am applying at most 4 operations, and we are good, and we are getting the perfect answer. So with the 2 also answer is possible, with the 2 also answer is possible, right? So we saw that with the 2 answer is also possible. Okay, here I'm going to write with the 2 answer is possible. Okay, so now again answer is possible. Let's check any other smaller value. Okay, so my mid is going to be updated, my right is going to be updated to mid. Okay, so mid was what was mid value? So mid value was 2, so right is going to update to 2. Okay, and right is updated to 2, and left is 1. Okay, left is still 1, so left 1 and right 2. Left 1 and right 2, 1 and right 2. Okay, 1 is less than 2, so it's still possible. Let's check, let's check now. Just see carefully. Okay, just understand this carefully. With code you guys will get much better idea, but just see it. Okay, so here what is the mid value that you're going to get? 1 plus 2 divided by 3, you are going to get 1. Okay, so now let's see. So first two balls are there, so I have to split them into 1 1. Okay, so this is going to consume one operation. Then next is 2 4 8 2. Okay, just remember, next is 4. Okay, so 4 here in one operation I have to get this 1 3. This is operation 1, operation 1. In operation 2 I'm going to get this 1 2. This is nothing but operation number 2. In operation 3 I'm going to get 1 1. This is nothing but operation number 3. Okay, so total 3 operations I'm doing, 1 1 1 1 to get this. Okay, total 3 operations, but overall operations I consumed until now is 4. Okay, 1 here and 3 here, total 4 operations are done. Now next is 8. Again I have to split, but I have already consumed total 4 operations, so this is going to return me false. Okay, this is going to return me false. With 1 answer is not possible, because I have already done 4 operations until here, and I'm still requesting for more operations. I'm still wanting to split this bag further. Okay, and I can't do that because max operation allowed is 4 only. So here 1 is going to give me false. Okay, so if 1 is going to give me false, then I have to if it is not possible, then I have to try a larger value. Okay, so we have to shift left to middle plus 1. Okay, so this is nothing but a binary search operation. Okay, so mid plus 1. So mid last time, what was the value of my mid? 1. 1 plus 1, left becomes 2, and right, previously right was 2 only. Okay, right was 2 only, so left is 2 and right is 2. This condition is failed. Which condition? This condition is failed. Both are equal now, so I have to come out of the loop. Okay, and I have to simply return the value of left. So what was the value of, what is the value of left? Left value is 2, so this 2 is going to be answer. So see, for this problem 2 is the answer. Right, right. Okay, so here with 2 we get the perfect answer. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Okay, all are becoming 2 2 only, right? So I hope that you guys are clear. Okay, and okay, this is thing. Okay, and here one more thing. Okay, this I was going to explain this thing in the while writing the code, but just a little bit hint. Okay, but when I'm going to write the code, then you guys will get much better understanding. Okay, so here let's say total number of balls in a bag is 10. Okay, so here I'm writing nums of I. Nums of I. Number of balls in the bag is 10. Okay, so now uh, let's say I have to I'm saying that max balls I'm allowing in a bag is 4. Max number of balls I'm allowing in a bag. Okay, max number of balls in a bag that I'm allowing is 4. Okay, so here uh, in every operation what is happening? In every operation, okay, I'm going to apply a operation on this bag. Okay, so this bag is splitting into two parts. Okay, so this bag is going to split into two bags. Okay, operation on I bag. Okay, and this is going to split into another bag. Okay, and both these bag, okay, so should contain max this many number of balls. Okay, max this number of balls, max number of balls, max number of balls. Okay, okay, so here I am saying that my bag, okay, this is a single bag, this is split into two new bags. Okay, and both these bags are going to contain the max number of balls. Okay, so this value, it should be less than equal to this one. Okay, so this is valid case actually. Why? So here max number of balls is 4. Okay, and I am going to apply the operations. Okay, here how many operations that I'm going to do in this bag, on this bag. Okay, so here first let's try to solve this equation. Okay, so number of balls in a bag, it should be less than equal to operations I'm doing, because I'm splitting the bag into two parts, and if I put the max number of balls in both the bags. Okay, so whatever the value that I'm going to get, it should be greater than, okay, or equal to this one. Okay, so here I can write it like this. Okay, you guys will get much better understanding now. Nums of I divided by max number of balls. So this is how you are splitting actually in reality, max number of balls. Okay, and here this minus goes here. Okay, minus goes here, and this is nothing but the operations that I'm doing on a particular bag. Okay, so here this formula. Okay, and here we are going to integer, get the integer values. Okay, upper value only. So here I'm just going to apply seal operation. Okay, to get the max value. Okay, so if 2.5 balls are coming in a particular bag, let's keep say now it's 3 only. Okay, right, so that is why I'm going to do seal here. So here here so here I'm applying this formula. Okay, so nums of I, so let's say total 10 balls, and max number of balls that I'm going to keep in a bag is 4. So 10 divided by 4, what is the output that is coming? 2. Okay, 2 point something, 2 point something, 2 point something. Okay, so I'm doing seal operation. Okay, seal operation here. Okay, and I'm subtracting 1 here. Okay, so here I'm going to get 2 point something, 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 operations. I'm getting 2 operations. Okay, this is the value of OPI I'm getting. Okay, so here if I just put this here, 2 plus 1 is 3 into 4, 12. So see, this is valid case. Na?
10 is less than equal to 12, right? So here two operations, so I am doing in reality two operations only, right? If I have this number of balls in a bag and I want this number of max balls in a particular bag, so I am doing this number of operations. Okay, so 10, how I am separating? I am separating it like this, 4, and in another bag let's say 6. Okay, clear? Now in the next bag, this is nothing but my operation 1, and in operation 2 4, and here 2. Okay, so max number of balls in a bag is 4, right? And two operations simply means 3 bags, because in every operation we are creating one extra bag, right? So if I am applying operation on a particular bag, so I am going to create 2 new bags. Okay, operation of I plus 1. Okay, 2 new bags. So in these 2 bags, if I put the max number of balls, okay, so value which I am going to get is always going to be greater than equal to the existing value. Okay, so this is a valid scenario. Okay, so this is how I'm going to get the number of operations, and if these operations count moves or becomes greater than this max operations that is allowed, then we have to simply return false from there. Okay, so with code you guys will get much better understanding about this part, but I hope that you guys are there. Okay, it's a lot of discussion today, right? So now let's move to the coding part. Okay, so here code is going to be very simple. Okay, and you guys have solved one similar type of problem last month. Okay, very similar, very similar. Okay, in daily problems. Okay, so in the end I will show you that problem as well. Okay, so here int left, I in the we have to take a left as 1. Okay, in the starting only I have said this right, left is 1, and take a right as the max value in my nums. Okay, so right is equal to 0. Okay, I'm going to update it. Okay, here for int num in my nums. Okay, and here I have to write my right as math dot max of right and num. Okay, this is how I'm going to update the right. All right. Okay, so now once this is done, we have to perform the binary search to find the optimal max balls in a bag. Okay, so here simple while left is less than right. Okay, I have explained this as well. All right, so here we have to calculate the middle. Okay, or you can say mid is equal to left plus right divided by 2. Okay, and we have to check if a valid distribution is possible with the current middle value. Okay, so here I'm just going to call one variable if is possible. Okay, if is possible, so here I'm just going to pass mid. Okay, or nums. Okay, the array that I have, and max operations. So I'm just going to check if this is possible, max operations. All right, if it is possible, then we have to check for a smaller value. Okay, so to get the smaller value, what we do in binary search, we shift right to the middle, right? So right is equal to middle, and if it is not possible, then what we do, we update left as middle plus 1, mid plus 1. Okay, here mid na, I thought of using middle first. Okay, let's use mid only. Okay, mid. All right, and here if it is not possible, then we are going to try a larger value. Okay, so we are going to shift left to the mid plus 1, right? So this is done. Okay, and in the end, once this while loop ends, we have to return left. That's it. That's it. Okay, so now let's define this is possible method. So here private boolean is possible int max balls in bag nums array I'm going to pass, and max operation. Okay, and inside this take total operations is equal to 0, and now we are just going to iterate through each bag in the array for int num in nums. Okay, and we are just going to calculate the number of operation needed to split this bag. Okay, so here simple, I'm going to use this formula: int operations is equal to this formula. Okay, operations, this formula. Okay, operation, how I'm going to get seal of nums of I divided by max number of balls minus 1. Okay, so this is the formula that I'm going to use. So int operations is equal to int math dot seal num divided by double of max balls in bag bag. Okay, minus 1 we have to do. All right, so we are going to get one extra bag, right, and one less operation. So here uh, 3 bags but operations are 2, right? 3 bags are there but operations are just 2. Okay, so that is why. Okay, and now total operations up, let's apply total operations as well. So total operations is equal to total operations plus operations. All right, and now if this total operations becomes greater than max operations, then we have to simply return false. Okay, so easy, return false. And now if we don't return this false, then we can split the balls within the allowed operations. We have to return true. That's it. Okay, done. Now let's run it and see if there are code issues, then we'll try to fix that. So all the test cases has been accepted. Okay, and here I have to show you one more thing. Okay, what was that test case? 210, okay, something like that I explained in the starting. Okay, 210, and this was how many balls we are going to keep here, 2. Okay, 2, 10 and 2. Okay, so let's write this 2 and 10 divided by 2. Okay, this total 2, max operation 2. Okay, so here what is the output that you are going to get? You are getting 4. Okay, so this is what I have explained. Okay, you are going to get 4, so instead of 3 you are getting 4. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.